Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw USDT from Revolut to Coinbase in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring your funds smoothly and securely. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's super popular for its one-to-one peg to the US dollar, making it ideal for moving money between platforms like Revolut and Coinbase. Remember, crypto rules can change, so always double-check with the latest app updates. First things first, make sure you have your USDT ready in your Revolut account. Open the Revolut app on your phone and log in securely. Head to your crypto section, find your USDT balance, and select the withdrawal option. You'll need to choose the right network, typically Tron, TRC20, or Ethereum, ERC20. So pick the one that matches your Coinbase setup to avoid any fees or failed transfers. Next, switch over to your Coinbase app or website. Log in, go to your wallet, and select the USDT asset. Copy the wallet address by tapping the share or copy icon. Double-check it to prevent any mix-ups, as sending to the wrong address could mean losing your funds forever. Now, back in Revolut, paste the Coinbase wallet address into the withdrawal field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, making sure it's above any minimum limits, usually around $10 or so, depending on the network. Review everything carefully, then hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation code or email, so keep an eye on that. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on network congestion and fees. Head back to Coinbase and refresh your wallet to see the USDT arrive. If it doesn't show up, check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan or Tronscan. A quick tip: always enable two-factor authentication on both apps for extra security, and be mindful of any transfer fees that could eat into your amount. That's it. You've successfully withdrawn your USDT. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next one.